One of the worst sandstorm what we have come across in so many years of Kuwait. Today is April 4th and the time here right now is 2 p.m. It looks like it's almost sunset. A real horrible weather. You can see all the people inside the car with all face covered, trying to protect from the sand. There's one of our friends who has come over here, who has joined us. He wants to go all the way back to Farvania. How are you? What's your name? Shunis Ismak. Huh? Al Qadri. So Al Qadri is also with us today. Here we go. Oh, very severe sandstorm. Al Qadri, كم سنة داخل الكويت؟
5 سنة.
5 سنة. أنت شوف هذا دوس أول ولا هذا أول مرة؟
هذا ثاني مرة.
ثاني مرة؟ أول ما شوف يعني كم هذا سنة ولا؟
هذا قبل 5 يوم 6 يوم.
5 يوم 6 يوم. He says that before 6 days he did see such severe sandstorm. That was on a Friday. هذا مال جمعة صح؟ أيوة. Yeah, he admits that was just before 5 days on a Friday. Yeah, a very dusty Friday, same thing which is repeated today. Now we are going to enter the 6th ring road. We don't know how far we are going to succeed in that. Let's see. Looks like too much heavy traffic block. Okay, bye. Take care.